ביאור משנה ה'. אגב המשנה הקודמת, since we're already talking about a different subject, we left the work of Yom Kippur, if you noticed. We're going to go back to it later on. מוסיפה משנתנו לפרט עוד דברים בעבודת המקדש. Our Mishnah is going to tell us more things in the service of the temple, כשהיו שונים ביום הכיפורים בשאר הימים, that were different in Yom Kippur than all other days. Let's say. בכל יום כהנים עולים במזרחו של כבש. Every day the Kohanim used to go up on the east of the ramp, המזבח. ויורדין במערבו. And they would go down on the west. Very interestingly, yeah, what's the right way to drive? Like in England or like in America?
In America.
Why is the American the right way?
ככה נראה לי, ימין, אתה רואה אבל לא יודע.
Oh, because if you think about it, look, when you go up on the altar, the first turn is to the right. So if you cannot be on the left and make the first turn on the right. So you go up on the ramp. They have people going up from the ramp and down from the ramp.
You have to go on the right and go down.
From the left. Not go on the left and go down on the right. Yeah?
Not like England.
Not like in England. That's right.
But I want you to know that in England, in a way, it's more safe because the driver is inside.
No, he's not going to be inside.
They touch each other. The driver is in this side.
It's a same thing. The reason why in England it started this way, you know why? It's because they used to have battles, and the right hand for the sword, they wanted to use the right hand, so they will always go on the left side of the horses so they can hit with the right hand. That's why it started this way in England. Yeah, just a little bit of history. ויורדין במערבו, and they go down on the west. שהכבש היה בדרומו של המזבח, that the ramp was on the south of the מזבח, והעולה בו ימינו, and you go up on the right, לצד מזרח, to the east, הילקח הכהן המלא את אברי הקורבן למזבח, היה עולה בצד המזרחי של הכבש. Therefore the Kohen, you always used to go, like we learned, you used to go on the right side of the כבש, the east side, שכן אמרו חכמים, because the sages says, כל פינות שאתה פונה לא יהיה אלא דרך ימין. You're always going to turn to the right. והיה מקיף את המזבח לצורך עבודו, and he would go around the altar for his work. היינו שהיה הולך כל צד מזרח. He would go to the east side, וממנו לצד צפונין, from here to the north side, וממנו לצד מערבין, from there to the west side, ומשם היה יורד בצד מערבי, and then he would go down on the west, in other words on the left. של הכבש, then the left is actually his right, because he's facing this way. Yeah. של ימינו. ולא היה הולך באמצע המזבח, משום יראת שמיים. And he would not go in the middle of the altar because of the heavens, of fear of heavens, the awe of heavens, respect. והיום, ביום הכיפורים, and today was יום כיפור, כהן גדול עולה באמצע ויורד באמצע. The כהן גדול used to go up in the middle and go down in the middle. להראות כבודו וחיבתם של ישראל, שהוא שליחם, שעושה עצמו כבן בית לפני הקדוש ברוך הוא. Today is like, it's his place. In other words, in the usual place, you would say, this is for the king. Today, I'm invited to the king's house, just like a VIP, the Kohen Gadol. ויוש גורסים, but there are those who says, והיום עולים באמצע ויורדים באמצע. It says, and today they go up in the middle and they go down in the middle. כלומר, שהכהנים המלווים את הכהן גדול עולים ויורדים באמצע הכבד כדי להדרו. It says, there are other Kohanim that used to go around with him, because when you have a lot of Kohanim doing the work, it looks nicer. They didn't do actually the work, but they accompanied him to make it nicer. Rabbi Yehuda Omer, not true. That's not the way it used to be. It says, לעולם כהן גדול עולה באמצע ויורד באמצע. It says, always the high priest. It says, the regular guys go on the right, on the left. He always has the middle way. גם בכל ימות השנה, it says, the high priest anyway goes in the middle. שהכהן גדול היה עולה למזבח לעבודה, היה עולה באמצע הכבש, he always used to go in the middle. ואין הלכה כרבי יהודה. But the halacha is not like Rabbi Yehuda. No, he didn't go in the middle, he used to go on the right. Another difference, בכל יום כהן גדול מקדש ידיו ורגליו מן הכיור. Every day the high priest used to wash his hand and legs from the kiyor, from the thing that we explained before, the sink. רוחץ ידיו ורגליו מן הכיור שבזרה, from the special kiyor that we say he has 12 spouts, 24 spouts, how many did we say? 12 spouts. והיום בכל 10 הקידושים, but today in all the 10th קידושין, that he washes his hand and legs, מקדש הכהן גדול את ידיו רגליו מן הקיטון של זהב. Now he's got a special, like נגל that he uses is out of gold. דרך כבוד וחשיבות. To make it important. והקיטון הוא מין כד. קיטון is a type of a jug. רבי יהודה אומר, רבי יהודה again disagrees, he says no. לעולם כהן גדול מקדש ידיו רגליו מקדש זה. It says every day the כהן גדול didn't used to go with the other guys. Every day he used to do it from the golden jug. אך בכל יומות השנה, it says it was every day, ואין הלכה כרבי יהודה. And the הלכה is not like רבי יהודה, which means the כהן גדול used to do it like everybody else. Let's do